Okay, and so your page will look something like this. Obviously, this will probably be your first funnel, but you'll have this here, and you can go ahead and click on it, and it'll bring up your web pages for you. Hey, welcome. I'm Kyle, and I'm going to teach you how to make money from anywhere. All right, so today what we're going to do, I'm super excited. I know every freaking YouTuber says, I'm super excited, but I am today. This is the day I'm giving you my business. So I'm going to walk you through the steps, give you all the templates to copy exactly what I'm doing online, take it for yourself, and go make your own money. There's going to be three things we're going to do today, all right? First thing we're going to do, I'm going to show you the product that we're going to sell. It's an affiliate marketing product. You may have heard of it, Legendary Marketer. Why we're going to do that is we want to get in their affiliate program so that we can sell it, okay? So the second thing we're going to do is we're going to do what's called a sales funnel. So I'm going to show you the tool that you're going to use to get there. I'm going to give you the templates of the actual web pages that we're going to just drop into our sales funnel. Super simple, promise. I walk you through it. And the third thing we're going to do, I'm going to teach you how to set up an email autoresponder. May sound complicated, may not, but I promise you it is not. Okay. And I'm even going to give you templates for the emails. You can write your own, but we'll start you off with some free templates and just to get you going. But what an email autoresponder does is once you collect an email from a lead from your sales funnel, again, automated, it'll do it for you. It goes into your email autoresponder and it sends out regular emails just to follow up with your customers. Basically, like a salesman would do, call a couple days later, maybe check in. That's what this does for you, completely automated. All right, so I'm excited. Hope you're excited. Let's jump into it. Here we go. All right, so when you click the link to clone my business, this is the page you're going to come to. Now, obviously, there's going to be a video here. The video's not there yet because I'm filming it right now. That'll be there. And you just start scrolling down. So step one, if you're not already a member, join Legendary Marketer below. This is the best online affiliate marketing training on the planet and the best community. And this is actually what I sell. So I'm going to teach you how to sell. Join it right now because what I'm going to also show you is how to become an affiliate and sell this program to others. Get through the 15 days. They're more like modules. So if you're really gung ho, you can bust it out in 2-3 days. That's what I did. Get through that, apply for the affiliate program. And then once you're in there, come back, go ahead and bookmark this page for now. Come back and we'll jump into ClickFunnels. Okay, and when you click the Legendary Marketer button, this is where it takes you. You'll see all this. Here's going to be the intro video. This is Dave Sharp. This is the founder, the guy, the man. He's the man. All right. So you can read through this, but it's all going to tell you in the program anyway. So if you want to just jump down, and there's tons of bonuses. This $7 is ridiculous. If you want to just jump all the way down to the bottom, just click that and you can get started right away. The one thing I would recommend, and you don't have to, but there's a marketers club. I think it's like around like 28, $30, something like that. That's a membership that enrolls you in the weekly training at noon on Mondays, noon Pacific. That's invaluable for beginners because you can hop on that call, you can ask direct questions with somebody that's really knowledgeable and get in there and they will talk you through stuff. You can show them your website, you can ask very specific questions. So that is really worth it. But if you don't have the $30, the $7 will get you right there. So let's get back into it. Another thing that people ask is like, well, isn't that kind of weird? You're teaching on your own product. And it's like, my answer to that is, what do you want to learn on? Like I can teach you how to build a dog training business and we can learn, and we can learn about affiliate marketing and I can teach you that stuff. And then we'll have to learn some stuff about dog training because we're going to build content and we're going to put out websites and videos, right? So do you want to learn a little bit about affiliate marketing and a little bit about dog training? Or do you want to learn a little bit about affiliate marketing and a little bit more about affiliate marketing? That sounds the best to me, so that's how we're doing it. All right. So step 2 is to join ClickFunnels below. So this comes with a 14-day trial. And that's the reason why I said go ahead and do step 1, Legendary Marketer, get through it, apply for the affiliate program, and then come over here because this thing costs $99 a month. And I don't want you to burn through your trial before you've had a chance to apply for the affiliate program. So bookmark this page, come back, and do it at that point. All right. Hey, if you're liking this video, please hit the like button, the subscribe button. That tells YouTube to send more people my way, and that helps me out a lot. So thank you very much. All right, so when we're ready to start our trial on ClickFunnels, go ahead and click here. And can't find one. There we go. Okay, And when you click that button, it'll bring this up, and you just go ahead and click here, start your 14-day free trial. That'll, walk you through the setup process, just the login and all that kind of good stuff. Obviously, I already have an account, so I will just log in mine here. Okay, yeah, so once you've got your account set up, come back over here, and you're going to download your sales funnel. This is just like one click here, boom, this pops up slowly. You're going to add your funnel. This is our sales funnel right here. We're going to add it. And I've already added it, but let's see what happens when I click this thing. Copy of, oh yeah, copy of, okay. Yeah, I don't want it. Anyway. All right. Okay, and so your page will look something like this. Obviously, this will probably be your first funnel, but you'll have this here. And you can go ahead and click on it, and it'll bring up your web pages for you. All right, so you do want to pay attention to this part, guys. Obviously, this is my business, so you have to go in here and edit it. So you will see the version that you're going to get is laid out pretty well. Let me show you here. It's going to have in bold where it says, name and stuff like this. So your version is going to look, right here, instead of saying Kyle, it'll say something like, if I remember correctly, it'll be like bolded, and it'll say name, something like that. So you just have to go through and look for those. Obviously, you want to proofread it anyway. It's good content, but make it your own. Change little words here and there if you feel like it. Edit your name in there. You'll see stuff like this. Boom, boom, boom. All right. And when you're done, you can just come up here, hit save. You can preview if you want, and then go back over here. I don't care. Go back over here, and then we'll just go to the next page. So you just go through. Bridge page is here. We'll go ahead and edit the bridge page as well. So here's where you're going to put a video, and I will show you that in a little bit. That's I think it's step 3 or 4. All this other stuff is done for you. Links. Change out the links to your affiliate links. Don't send traffic to my business. Send it to your own. So we're going to go here, settings, and we're going to set action for that button. And then right here, we're going to change it to your affiliate link, okay? And just real quick, let's jump back over to Legendary Marketer and just show you that. So when you're in Legendary Marketer, this is what the back office looks like. When you become an affiliate, you'll go up here, you'll click affiliates. You can go over here. All right, and then you just come over here to funnels. And then these are all different offers you can have. I do the Business Builder Challenge. Click that, you come over here, affiliate links. And then this is going to give you your affiliate link. So we just copy it. Then we come back over to ClickFunnels and we put it in there. Now make sure you click out of that square so that, so it goes like that before you go back. Otherwise it doesn't save it. Please remember that. All right, so now we're good. So change out the link, check the names. You can put your own name up here. And I'm going to show you the video later. And scroll down, and you want to make sure you change out the link on this button here as well. That's all the editing you need for the pages. This extra stuff down here is just extra content for you to use. There's some of the videos, and you can use these in your own campaigns. You can add pages, change it up. So that's just extra bonus stuff there for you. And this is an optional thing. If you want to do a custom domain name, I do recommend it. It is a lot better for branding yourself. But again, it's one of those extra costs that you don't need right away. You can go ahead and start making some money, and maybe that's something you add later. All right. And then step 4 right here, import your video script. So what this is, remember I mentioned that video on that second page earlier? This is where we're going to give you a script of what to say, okay? So just click this. It's just a simple Google Doc. And obviously you're not tied into this. You can say whatever you want, but we want to give you something so that you're not sitting there for 3 hours trying to think of what to say. We want to just give you this, take it, use it verbatim, change it up however you want. But it's a great place to start. It's a great script that works. So here you go. And another optional thing for you, if you really just, you are not a camera person, you're just like, I really want to do this, but that part I just can't. Cool, no problem. Go over here. This just go to Fiverr. You can hire someone for not too much money, probably 30 bucks ish. Obviously, you want to look through people, vet them, all that good stuff. Make sure you know what you're getting. But click over here. Interested in animated video? Sure. Look for whiteboard animations. Those are some of the best ones. They're simple. They look great. They've got the voiceover, so I definitely recommend something like that if you just can't get in front of the camera. All right, step 5, set up and connect your email campaign. So what this is these are your automated email website, and you click their email address. You'll set it up so that 3 hours later, then the next day, they'll be getting these emails from you. So you didn't have to do anything. It's all automated for you. People visit and your emails talk to them for you. All right, so I am suggesting that you use the email autoresponder active campaign. The reason for that is the one that I was using, Aweber, the huge downside of it is that it requires double opt-in for you to collect an email address. And what that means is not only do they have to sign up on your website, they also have to reply positively when Aweber sends them an email and asks them to confirm that you want to be on their email list. That's fine, but that's a real big downside because so many people don't do that. You lose so many of your leads. So don't, in my opinion, don't do Aweber like I am. I've got past that point already, so that's fine. You get past that point at a certain point, they allow you to not do that anymore. But for beginners, it's a huge speed bump. So I would definitely say go with ActiveCampaign. They don't have the double opt-in, and you can do that. Now, since I don't know ActiveCampaign that well, here is a step-by-step tutorial. This is going to walk you through putting ActiveCampaign together with ClickFunnels. So if you just click this, it's a real step-by-step. Here, watch this, do it this way. It's going to be super simple for you. So that's, if I can show you someone that does it better, that's what I'm going to do for you. So hit that up right there. And when you get to the part of what you're going to put in those emails, we got you there too. So click this button right here. All right. This is going to bring up your little email campaign. All right. So email number 1, you're going to set this up in your autoresponder and ActiveCampaign so that it comes out an hour after someone opts in. And you'll see it's very simple to do. This is your subject, and then these are your bodies of your emails, right? Boom, boom, boom. Obviously, look out for the red text. You know, you're putting in your affiliate link like we did earlier. Obviously, you're going to put in your name here. And again, same as the video script, you're not locked into this. This is to help you out, to get you started. Copy these verbatim, change them up, do what you want, make them your own, don't make them your own. This is to help you out and get you running fast. And as you scroll down, you can kind of see, you know, boom, 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 there's email number 1. We scroll down, 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 down. Okay, email number 2, wait 4 hours. Again, you don't have to wait 4 hours. You set it up in the system. It waits 4 hours, and then it sends your customer this email. And so on and so forth down the line. All right, so let's go back up to ClickFunnels, and let's just show you the final product here. All right, so we go back into our and we go to our home page. We copy our URL. And you see if you type it into your search bar here, boom, there we are. There is our link that we can now send traffic to. And that's it, really. You've got it. So now what you want to do is you want to start your social media campaign. You want to start a YouTube channel or a TikTok channel or maybe a blog, somewhere that you can start drumming up some organic leads, start putting that affiliate link out there and start making some sales. So that's really all there is to it. Great job for getting through it. Welcome to the team. And man, let's go get it. All right. See you out there.